Are there any free voice changer apps for Discord on mobile devices?
There are indeed several free voice changer apps that can be used with Discord on mobile devices. In this video, we will discuss some of these options.
Are there free voice changer apps for Discord on mobile?
Yes, there are multiple free voice changer apps available for use on mobile devices in conjunction with Discord. Some of these apps may have in-app purchases or premium features, but they do offer free versions that can enhance your Discord experience.
What are some popular free voice changer apps?
Here are some popular free voice changer apps for mobile devices. 1. VoiceMod, a widely used voice changer app that is compatible with Discord, offering a variety of voice effects and filters. 2. Voice Changer with Effects. This app allows you to record your voice, apply effects, and then share it with friends or use it on Discord. 3. Super Voice Changer. With a range of voice filters and effects, Super Voice Changer provides a fun and easy way to change your voice on Discord.
How do I use a voice changer app with Discord on mobile?
To use a voice changer app with Discord on your mobile device, follow these steps. 1. Download and install the Voice Changer app of your choice from the App Store. 2. Launch the Voice Changer app and choose the desired voice effect or filter. 3. Open Discord on your mobile device and join a voice chat or server. 4. Enable the Voice Changer app in Discord by following the app-specific instructions, usually found within the Voice Changer app settings. In summary, there are several free voice changer apps available for Discord on mobile devices. With these apps, you can enjoy a fun and interactive experience by changing your voice during voice chats. Just remember to follow the steps outlined above to get started with your chosen voice changer app.